Samsung's largest zoom update after the Galaxy S23 Ultra was released is finally arriving with its next big generation, the Galaxy S24 series, specifically the S24 Ultra. Yes, Samsung is bringing the most powerful 3x zoom lens they have ever brought on any of their flashes before. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto camera, which will bring a massive boost in image quality due to the higher resolution, while also improving the hybrid zoom quality from 3x all the way to 10x. That was one area at which Samsung lagged behind the competition. While Samsung was superior to the competition whenever it came to the 10x lens, the photos weren't as sharp at the 3x level due to a lack of high resolution. Now, with the S24 Ultra on top of their enhanced method and camera ISP that is coming with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip / Exynos 2400, fingers crossed, we're going to see some excellent results out of this new 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. Because those photos look outstanding at 3x magnification, Samsung chose to do this instead of having a 5x zoom lens, which would have disrupted the portrait zoom experience. As a result of this upgrade, we'll definitely see the sharpest portrait mode images of any Galaxy flagship ever before. Also in the headlines is the software that will be shown on the S24 series, namely the Android 14-based One UI 6.0, which includes a fresh new fast panel arrangement that will look extremely lovely depending on the color palette you choose. Speaking of amazing, the Galaxy S23 lineup outperformed the S22 lineup in the first half of 2023. Yes, Samsung officially revealed some numbers regarding their revenue and performance for the first half of this year, claiming that despite market challenges, the Galaxy S23 lineup reached better sales and earnings than the S22 lineup compared to the previous first half of the year achievement. This is fantastic news for Samsung, and we hope they can do exactly the same with the S24 lineup for the coming year. Whether or not that happens will be heavily dependent on the return of the Exynos 2400 chip, which, in case you didn't know, is coming back for select S24 models in specific areas. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.